Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Jai.Lashay, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all done read the title. Y'all, my coffee maker finally came in, and I got a couple more goodies. I got a couple things I still need to order, but I'll tell y'all about that later in the video. But I'm ready to set my coffee little station up over here, so I'm finna post y'all up, watch y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the coffee maker that I got. I also posted on the screen, and if y'all want the link, let me know, and I'll put it in my description box if y'all want to order the same stuff. But yeah, y'all, I'm ready to show y'all my coffee maker because I'm ready to set my stuff up. So I'm finna show it to y'all. Dang, something is... This freaking Amazon label then peeled on my freaking countertop. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna show you what I got from Dollar Tree. Not that might all. I picked up these little cups. This is for when baby wanna put some sugar in there, for his coffee to take to work. And then I got these too. I got these from where are these from? Marshall's for $8. So when he wanna put creamer and stuff to take it to work, because he mainly drink coffee in the morning time. So I got these little bottles so he can go ahead and be able to pour him some creamer. This is for his sugar. Then I got this. It's a stackable wine bottle holder. I got this from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put my what is called, the syrup in there. I want to make it all cute over here. And then I got this little rotating thing that like spins for my cups and stuff that I'm gonna put up here, because I'm gonna order these cups. I'll put them somewhere on the screen, and I'm gonna put me some cute little labels on the cups to say Jay's Cafe. Yeah. So I'm gonna design that and stuff later. But I got this stuff from Dollar Tree. Let's get on to the Amazon stuff. So from Amazon, I ordered these gold pumps that I'm gonna put in my different syrups to pump it out. I think that's gonna be so aesthetically pleasing. And y'all know my colors in my house is, well, one of my colors in my house is gold, so yeah. Then I ordered these. This ain't got to do with that. Our TV is now mounted on the wall, so I ordered the little things to hide the cord. Yeah. I got me a new frother. Electric frother. I'm tired of them battery operated frothers giving that on me. I don't like y'all that low down. Let me put y'all up here. That's a lot better. So yeah, I ordered the electric milk frother. Oh, this is classy. This is real classy. So it looks like this, and you gotta hit the button. Yeah, to froth the milk and creamers and stuff to put it on top. This was $10 on Amazon. The pumps I think was $10. Those was like $5. The little wall things if y'all need those. This nice style right here. I ordered some of this. Oh, I did order these. And then I also ordered the long spoons to like stir my stuff up with in gold. And then I'm gonna show y'all this too. I picked this up from TJ Maxx. It was $7.99. It is brown butter toffee. Cause I picked up a new cold phone. I'll show y'all that after I show y'all this. So dang, it's not even, the picture ain't even on there. Well, y'all, here go the picture again of the one I ordered. Cause this, a picture of it ain't even on the box. Thought y'all finna see this. But this is a 3-in-1 iced and hot coffee maker. I prefer iced coffee. He prefer hot coffee. He don't like it cold, and I don't like mine hot. So this was the perfect 2-in-1, and it was only $70. I ain't trying to break a nail. I already need a fill in this week. I ain't trying to have to get a nail replaced. Also, Also, with this coffee maker, it takes ground coffee and the K-cups. Love that. Because he prefer ground coffee. I prefer K-cups. But yeah, they gave you the little book pamphlets. It comes with a 2-year warranty plus 6-month replacement service. You're going to put this right on there. I don't need nobody forgetting what y'all told me y'all was going to do. And then like the little setup manual, all of that. I'm not finna set it up. I'm just finna plug it up and let y'all see what it look like. It's nice. Let me show you. Yeah. Okay. Here my girl go, and she's so cute, sleek. I'm loving it. It fit up to 50 ounces or something of water. Oh, I like that you can hide the plug back here. Yeah. And the sizes that it does is 6 ounce to 14 ounce. Ground and K cups. If you're doing ice. You could do ice for 6 and 8 ounces only. Yeah. So it tell you add ice cubes for those 2 settings, which is fine by me because I don't drink no whole lot. Hold on, y'all. The cup chamber to put the stuff in. Then it also comes with a scooper to scoop up your coffee. If you're doing ground coffee, they come with a little brush to brush it off. So yeah, let's see what this do up here. There's the other one that's in here. I'm thinking this. Okay, so this is for the ground coffee, cause it's a powder compact, and this is for the K cup. If you put a K cup in there. Period. 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 Okay, let's plug it up so you can see what it looks like. Okay, here, so you can change the sizes. 12 ounce, 6 ounce standard, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, 14 ounce. You can also decide if you want your coffee to be bold. Like if you like your coffee stronger, you can hit the stronger or you can hit the standard. You can choose if, you doing a capsule or ground or over ice. So once you hit your size and how bold you want it, then you put what kind of coffee you're making, whether it's a K cup, ground coffee, or over ice. Love that. So I'm going to put this, what's this one again? The powder one back in, because he'll be probably the one to use it before me because I'm waiting on my cups to come in. But I'm going to go ahead and set up my syrup and my little turning thing and stuff over here too. Okay, so like I told y'all, I definitely have some more stuff I need to get. I want to get those clear cups to put up here. I got some cute little coffee mugs I can sit up here for now though. I can sit this on there. Yep. And then I can sit this one on there. Should I do the what's this one? I'm just a girl or the protecting my peace? I'm just a girl because it's pink. People gonna say somebody being pink. When they come to my house, I'm like, girl, you got that pink cup up there. And do I'm trying to set this little thing up so it's something on there. But now you can't see my cute little sign. Maybe I should set it up here. Yeah. Okay. Don't mind this freaking stuff that it came off this Amazon bag on my counter because now I'm going to have to scrub that off. Anyway, here you go. Alright, so I got this freshly brewed song. I don't remember where I bought this from. I had it for forever. The coffee maker. And then we have the little bottle of syrup. Then we got the little turning thing. I just stuck some stuff on here just to put something on there so it can give the vibes. Cut the light on for y'all. Just so it can give some vibes, so it can have some form of a setup. I cannot believe that Amazon thing left that freaking black mark on my counter. That is outrageous. But yeah, that's the setup. That's what I'm going for so far. I need to go to somewhere here. I looked for the cups at Jai.Lashay. That's what the girl said they was getting them at. You get 6 for $1.25. I don't eat that many because I don't really take coffee with me on the go that much. I'll be drinking it pretty much at home. But yeah, that pissed me off. So, and I also got the Drew Barrymore kettle for my tea because I'm also a tea girl. I'll show y'all that. My friend labeled me this actually last year for my birthday. But I do have the Drew Barrymore beautiful kettle. And I also have the slushy too. So when I want to do a smoothie, I can use my Drew Barrymore slushy. When I want to do tea, I can do my Drew Barrymore thing. I was going to get the Drew Barrymore coffee thing, but first of all, I could not find black and gold. So if I was going to end up with another color, at least that's black. But I could not find a black and gold in stock nowhere, and I wasn't trying to wait on it because it was like a 3-week wait. Yeah, I found somebody else to wait that long. And then let me cut that off. I don't want to leave it on. And then, so yeah, I didn't want to wait that long for it to come. So I was just like, child, please pick somebody else to do it. And ended up just getting that one. Plus, the Drew Barrymore one was $60, and it did not do iced and hot coffee. This one was $70, and it does both. Yeah, and all that stuff came same day. So yeah, but I'm excited. I cannot wait. Oh, let me show y'all the new creamer that I got. I mean, not creamer, cold foam. So we mainly just do like the breakfast blend for our coffees. For the actual coffee, we both like vanilla for the creamer, vanilla regular or French, but he don't do cold foam. He just do creamer, a whole lot of damn sugar, and coffee. Me, I want mine's fries. I want the oat milk. I like a different cream. I like why they have a little different flavor to it, but I love me a cold foam. So I did pick up the new cold foam, the brown butter chocolate chip cookie. I feel like this is going to be so fire. Whew, I feel like this is going to be so fire. So I picked it up. I already picked up our Folgers ground coffee. They had it on sale. The real big one that's normally $20-some was on sale for $10, I think. I'm gonna grab some K-cups too though, just to put up there. Cause I want to get one of those cute little things, but I feel like I don't have that much space to work with. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Cause this is the only part of the counters that I'm willing to use. I ain't willing to use no more space. So tell me what y'all think I should take away and I was thinking about getting a cute little mat and putting it under there. I definitely need to if I can't get that paint off. Maybe I might put some paper towels on the actual paper towel holder because I got a gold one over there with my actual paper towel on it. So I'm going to use that. But maybe I put that up there. I don't know. I feel like it's missing a lot. I didn't think about how I was going. When I originally got it, I just thought, oh, I want a coffee maker. I want a new iced coffee maker. But then I was like, well, dang. I got to consider him because we got the Keurig, but the Keurig is red. My kitchen is no longer in that red phase. We ain't never going back. We staying with the elegance of that black and that white. We never going back to that. So that's not going to work. This is one that worked for both of us. But I don't really care for it too much. So I'm calling on the J-Bays. I need y'all down in the comments right now. Tell me what I should add. Tell me what I should take away. Tell me what I should do. I need y'all help. Comment now. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. But other than that, I do love the coffee maker. I can't wait to use it. I definitely got to give me some cups. My love to go cup so y'all can see it in the cup when I'm making it. I got me some Biscoff. I got a couple recipes I can't wait to try. So make sure y'all watching my shorts too. I'm gonna wait on starting till I got my whole setup together, because when I set it all up, I want y'all to get the vibe like y'all at Jay's Cafe when I make my drinks. So I gotta get the cups, I gotta make my labels, and I gotta get whatever y'all telling me that I need in the comments right now to add or take away. So please, it was today. Today for me is Monday. Y'all should be watching this before Friday. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you got a coffee bar in your crib, or a coffee counter, because I actually do have an actual bar. I have a gold extra bar in here, and it just has like different shaped. I have different shapes of wine glasses, like 4 different shapes of wine glasses. The hookah is down there at the bottom. Got a wine rack down there. You could put extra bottles right there. And then just some other stuff. Yeah. I also got this other one. I forgot I had this. No talkie before coffee. I can put that one over there too. Yeah. So I stuck that one back there. No talkie before coffee, baby. Okay. So definitely let me know what I should add, take away, all that and extra. And once I get it all together, I'm gonna bring y'all back for a second video to show you my whole coffee setup. Definitely with better pumps. If them pumps ain't gonna fit, and I don't need them. I'm gonna probably get that Tarani, whatever the brand is, just to make sure, see if they fit in them. If they fit in them, then I'll be cool. I'll keep them. If not, Amazon, I want my $10 back. See y'all in the next freaking video.